Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into one of the key building blocks of English grammar, subject, verb, object, or SVO word order. We'll also cover how you can use this for questions and negatives. Let's start with the basics. Take this sentence, I eat pizza. Here's the breakdown. First, you start with the subject, I, the verb, eat, and finish with the object, pizza. So that constructs the sentence, I eat pizza. In most English sentences, we follow this exact order. Here's a few more examples. She plays guitar. We watch movies. They love music. But how do you use this in a question? In English, we change the word order ever so slightly. To change the sentence, I eat pizza, we say, do you eat pizza? So, if you wanted to ask someone if they eat pizza, you say, do you eat pizza? Notice how the verb, or a helping verb, comes before the subject. This applies to all types of questions, like, does she play guitar, or did they watch the movie? And now let's talk about negatives. To make a sentence negative, we add not after the helping verb. I do not eat pizza. Here's some more examples. She does not play guitar. They did not watch the movie. Here's what we learned. In basic sentences, it's subject, verb, object. But in questions, we switch the order to put the verb first. And in negatives, we add not after the verb. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to handle not only basic sentences, but also questions and negatives using SVO. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick grammar tips.